Okay, everybody, Easter's over. We have some Easter flowers, tulips, have another plant. Now it's time to take down all the Easter decorations. I have the box. We have Easter decorations in Valentine's and St. Patrick's Day. I have my garland here, and we're going to take down the Easter decorations. It's DIY Monday. And of course, this will also be on the Pond and Garden channel, outside, taking down the decorations on the lamppost and everything else. So we're going to get into this video in just a moment. Okay, I got down some other stuff that we had around for St. Patrick's Day and everything else. I put that away. Now I have to put my Easter stuff away. This box over here is, as you can see, that's 4th of July, Labor Day, Memorial Day, Flag Day, whatever. That's next. So what we have to do is take down all this. For that, this should come down easily. Yes, this should come down easily too, but I don't know why it's not coming down. Let's see. You have to get a ladder for that. So you have all this coming down, and what I put up is 4th of July first. I'm undecided what I'm going to do, so we'll put some stuff up and go to the window and then get this. But first I got to get this down, the Happy Easter sign. Okay, I got it. Now I'll pack all this stuff away in the box here, which I have more garland and stuff for next year. I'm going to hopefully save some of that garland from the window, but we put this stuff away now. You can get all this stuff here. In the other box that I put away that was on here had Valentine and St. Patrick's Day and stuff. We'll also add to it because we take these 3 boxes down because it has all 3 in there. And what I got to do is get up in the attic and see the Valentine's Day stuff, but I don't have any lights in the thing, so that box is packed. If I don't have any red lights, I know I have white lights in the garage. I'm going to take the white lights and put them around the lamppost. I'm going to take red lights and put them around the lamppost and put the red, white, and blue garland around the lamppost. So this packs this away. That we didn't do. All we have to do is get the other decorations and put them in that one box, and that's this over here on the TV. We have this, we have this, This we have the Easter signs. This one, Happy Easter. Of course, the carrot, the eggs, the other eggs I had up there, and another Happy Easter sign, which is thing I have to get one more thing down, and we'll start with red, white, and blue. I have this welcome sign with the bunnies and my Easter egg wreath to do. So this project is done. Now we have to get to the window. We do that. I have this. We're going to leave that out because that's spring and that's just thing. I want to put this on the door. This wreath on the door for Memorial Day, 4th of July, Flag Day, and going into Labor Day. So this will be on the longest tongue. We'll put this up. And there was another one. I don't know if this had something else on it. I think it did. We gotta see about doing that. Let me check it out and we'll come right back. This is going to be a work in progress. This says Home of the Brave. I'm going to take this and put it up there in the middle and we'll see how it goes. We may take it down and may put something else up, but for right now I'm going to put this up because we have a whole month to go and I will change it as we get into different holidays. Memorial Day comes first, so this will be Home of the Brave. I also have something else to put up. So I'm going to put this up on this right here like that. And I don't know if I'm going to take these. I think this is too big for up here. Although, I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, it's a work in progress. So I figured I'd put that up, and I have gonna put this up on the door, the wreath here, and I have one more thing I'm gonna put up for now. Hopefully it's in here. Yes, it is. Let me see if I can get another one. The gnomes, of course, I love the gnomes. And we'll put this on one of these. Things like this for now, and we'll get more as we go along. Put that there for right now. And I'll post some other stuff. I want to put this on the door. And we'll get to the window. Where is the hook? We have to find a way to hook this on the door. The ribbon came off. Oh, there it is, right here. So we're going to hook this on the door. And then we'll get to the window with the Easter stuff to take that down. Now I'm going to take the stuff down from the window and then go outside. That will be on the Pond and Garden Sanctuary. So I'm going to take this down, and we have these pillow things too that we have to take in as well. So it's too much of a glare to see that when I open the window, blinds on the window, it's too much of a glare. Let's see, which I believe it is. We'll do this first. It always gets tangled up in here. Here we go. We can get to this. Let's see, you open it and see what glare we have. Which I believe we do. So we got to take down all this stuff. All that stuff. Sealing the thing and the garland around the window. The next video will be outside showing you it done, and I will tell you what I do. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think. This is a DIY Monday video. This will be on the Pond and Garden channel as well as the DIY Monday channel. So until then, remember, all things are possible if you believe. Hope you had a happy Easter and a good Passover. Hope Passover ends for you good, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, again, like, comment, subscribe, ding that bell, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. DIY Monday. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. So, watch this on Pond and Garden, and hopefully you'll go over to DIY Mondays, because next month there'll be 2 DIY Monday videos totally on DIY Monday channel. And thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And if I haven't commented on your video, I will as soon as possible. Till then, Stephen F. signing off. Haven't forgotten you. I'm doing these videos and I have to get it done, and I want to have a few in reserve. So this is a DIY Monday video. I will see you in the next one. Till next time, Stephen F. signing off. Don't forget to watch this on the Pond and Garden channel and also DIY Mondays. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.